Here's a twist that'll shock even people who already own crypto. Ready? Your Bitcoin wallet holds zero Bitcoin, none. Let that hit you. So, where is your Bitcoin? It's on the blockchain, that giant worldwide record. It never leaves. It's just an entry saying a certain amount belongs to you. So, what does a wallet actually do? It holds your keys. A key is like a secret password that proves a slice of that record is yours and lets you spend it. Own the keys, you own the coins. It is that direct. Which brings us to the most important sentence in all of crypto. Say it with me. Not your keys, not your coins. Here's why this can wreck people. Most buy Bitcoin on an app and just leave it there. Convenient, right? But in that setup, the company holds your keys, not you. You don't own Bitcoin. You own an IOU. And if that company freezes withdrawals, gets hacked, or collapses, and it has happened over and over, your coins vanish with it. People have lost everything this way. Everything. The alternative? Hold your own keys. Then nobody stands between you and your money. Can't be frozen, can't be lost for you. But real talk, that power comes with full responsibility. No bank to call, no forgot password, lose your keys, and it's gone. For good. That's the price of real ownership. Total control, total responsibility. Freedom was never free. Learn this before you ever touch real money. I'm Saturo. Stay dangerous. See you in the next one.